Gotta have gloves on. I mean, Christ, it's like minus 13, and then they got bloody windshield factor of like minus 25 or some shit. Christ. There's something you don't see every day also. Almost a ghost car. Man, I want to get a picture or film one of the new Chargers. I don't see those. I've only seen like 2 of them. That'll be cool. Followed by scrap. Yeah. The snowy scene in Montreal with never-ending fucking 95% boring cars. Fucking all of them. Should have been born in California, me. Here's one of the best-selling pickups in Canada, the F250 and F350 series. But if you ask me, I always preferred the GMC or Chevs in recent years. I always think they're better looking. Same thing with the Dodge Ram. Ford's nice, but anyway. What else we got coming here? Oh, we're looking down the main here, St. Laurent Street, and this is where Little Italy ends and, well, I guess begins. And not exactly the best day for venturing outside. That is for sure. Somebody didn't put on winter tires. At least the wind's not so bad here. Man, it was like Côte de Neige before. It was fucking murder. Christ. I believe that's a Thomas body, if I'm not mistaken. Ooh, she's stinky though. Whew. Anything else coming here? Still making my way slowly to work here. Slowly to work. bucks.